As you can see now, this is the end of the charge. The battery gets 100% state of charge. You can see how we hit 100% mark. And let me show you the Whiz-Bang Junior. This is the Victron Smack Shunt. And here is the Outback readout monitor, or Mate 3S. Here we go. Here is the Whiz-Bang Junior from Midnight Solar. We hit 100% state of charge, which is a 450 volt, or 450 amps battery capacity. So see that, program that, it's 100%. There we are. And here you can see the net is +1. Everything is zeroed out. So back to the shunt. It's right here. We see how far or how this technology gonna work for us right here at GW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Did you just see the Whiz-Bang Junior just flash? See that? And we have the Victron right here with the blue light. Watch the Whiz-Bang Junior flashing. That means it's communicating with the MNGP, with the Midnight graphic panel. This is the classic 150, 96 amps. And here are the Victron charge controllers. Let's see what the morning is going to bring us. Now we get the system all the way up, just to make sure the shunt works. It's just about 0.4 milliamps difference the way it reads. We'll see how it works. I'll bring you more videos, or maybe we have to change the configuration. Okay, it's an update on the following day. Now we are charging. It's very early in the morning here, and it seems like the trick is working. So let's take a close look here. So the batteries were full last night, and we only took about 28.9 amps of the batteries. And right now the current that is coming in is a 4.66, and we're sitting at 94% state of charge. So if we go back to the history here, you see what is going on because I reset this guy. So let me take you to the charge controllers and see what they are doing here. This charge controller is bringing about 9 amps to the batteries, which I think I have a load running right now as a freezer or the refrigerator. Air conditioning is going on too in the house. So this one here is just waking up the other array. So it's only about an amp coming in. And let's go to the Midnight Solar with the Whiz-Bang Junior. And this is the calculation. If you see from the Victron Smart Shunt, you see it says a 94%. Here is a 93, so it's a 0.4, 400 of a volt, of a amp, 400 millivolt, 400 milliamp, excuse me, 400 milliamps. So we're sitting at 24 degrees C, which is within 70s here, because 25 degrees C is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are within the 60s something to 70s. That's what the inverter, the charge controller is saying, the wristband junior. See, you can see the difference I was telling you about. And here is the Outback mate, because we're running an Outback. So here's the Outback. It's the Mate 3. And here goes our biggest experiment that we were working on. That's a Victron Smart Shunt 500 amp to 50 millivolt. And back here is the Wristband Junior board right there, and with the shunt back there. That's the Wristband Junior, and here is the Victron. So they are linked together in a parallel mode. So I think that's why we have a little differential there, which is 1%, maybe is point something percent difference with this guy and this guy here. It says 93, but if you look at the amps, it's 3.5. Say the Wristband Junior 3.2. Now we went back to 2. Okay, I think it's 3. You will see the difference here. Okay, 2.98. Okay, just went 3.19. I wish I can just go mirror the two shunt together. So this is the power it's collecting from the charge controllers and send them to these guys. 2.5. See that? So let me read you the numbers. Let me read you the number, what is shown on the Wristband Junior. The amps is 2.5, and this is 2. Okay, it's changing. 2.5455, 2.5. So it's a decimal, just a point something. The way both of them are calculated, just like when you have multimeter, it reads the occurring number, the like 0.000. Okay, something just kick in. Okay, back off. 0.4 is reading 0.5. 0.4 amps is reading 0.47. 0.3 is reading 0.4. So some loads just drop for some reason. No, they're still on. I think we just zero out the load because I think the fridge is running. So we just zero it out because we were bringing 9 amps here. And this is okay. I think from that angle we lost this guy. So, like I said, we're just waking up here. I have a JW Solar USA. 01. There is 0.10. 0.1. Okay, 0, 0. They'll zero out. They just zero out. So it's just a little difference from both of them. So I don't know if you can live with that or you don't. Then, well, all these meters are not calibrated properly. Each company has their own calibration meters and all whatever, just like you use in any of the multimeters. And you have the fluke is different from the others, and people trust them for various reasons. So I'm going to show you the indication right there. See the West Bank Junior, that's how it communicates. It flashes. It's sending and receiving data. And while the Victron Smart Shunt just illuminate. And this is how you transmit message or data back to a real-time PC or Mac or tablet or phone, while the Westbank Junior is sending its message through the purple wire. See that? All the way on the side, all the way to the MNGP, the Midnight Graphic Panel, right there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. If you like my experiment, please support the channel by clicking the subscribe and the like button, and make sure you share the video for more content coming on your way live from the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more notification, and don't forget to click on our thank you button on the right bottom of the video. If you don't have the video on landscape, it's gonna be right just by the subscribe button down there. You see it. If you keep scrolling, then you see the thank you for donations to help us bring more content like this for you guys in the near future. Okay, and don't forget to go in the description below and click on the link below for battery hookup, so that you can buy your lithium batteries and save yourself 5%. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota.